Okay, this is Mambotambo. This is the guitar 2-part, section C, the section marked C. We have a pickup. Here we go. We're going to take the repeat. 1, 2, 1. Okay, that was it. Played at 65 beats per minute. Let's break this down one run at a time. So we're going to take everything. We're going to count measures starting from that C marking. So let's take a look at that first little tricky passage. This is going to be what we'll call measure 2. Measure 2 after the C marking. We start here on fret 3 with our first finger, and then we position shift, so we go first finger from fret 3 on the high E string up to 5. So 3, 5, 7. After we hit 7, we go hammer on with the fourth finger to 8. So it's So we go bum, 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 back down to 3. From there, we take our 4 finger and we put it on the B string, fret 8. Then we go 5, back down to fret 8 on the B string. So 5 on the E string. Here's the whole thing. Okay. The next section is a lot of repetition. Just know that the last part, we have an E flat in there. The last time we repeat. E flat. Okay, so next we're going to move on past that repetition section with the E flat. So this is the next measure over. We have another little tricky passage right there. So same thing, we're going to start with our 1 finger here on fret, after we play an open E, 1 finger on fret 1, and then we're going to shift position immediately. Okay, we then hammer on to fret 5 with our 3rd finger. We're going to go back down to fret 3 and then open. Hammer on. Okay. Open. And then the last 2 notes are fret 3 with the 1 finger on the E string, and then on the B string with our 4th finger, we go down to fret 6. We play it in tempo. 1, 2, 1. Okay. Next we have a repetition of that first passage that we talked about. So that's the same. We have 2 more little tricky runs here. They're both ascending scale runs. The first one. Just watch where the hammer-on is there. It goes A, open B, C sharp. These are all plucked. A, open B. A's on the G string. Open B, C sharp, D, open E, then F, hammer on to G. Last two notes are F, back down to D on the B string. Okay, play that, run a couple times. 1, 1, 1. One more time. That's a neat scale, okay? And then the last run begins on an open G. Okay? So it goes open G, A, open B, and our hammer on this scale is this open B to C. So open to fret 1 on the B string. Ready? 1, 2, 1. Again. 1, 1. Okay, that should be it. Go ahead and take a look to find that second ending. The last notes are C. I believe when I played it through, I played an E here. There should be a G, C, G, C, A. That's after the second ending. Okay, good luck. That's a fun one.